Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about an overview of microwave hydrothermal carbonization and microwave pyrolysis of biomass. Nizamuddin Sabzoi is the lead author. Viewers, biomass utilization has received much attention for production of high-density solid fuels. Utilization of cheap and naturally available precursors through environmentally friendly and effective processes is an attractive and emerging research area. Pyrolysis and hydrothermal carbonization (HTC) are well-known technologies available for production of solid biofuel using conventional or microwave heating. Microwave heating is a simpler and more effective heating method than conventional heating. This study presents a critical review on microwave pyrolysis and microwave HTC for solid fuel production in terms of yield and quality of products. Moreover, a brief summary of parameters of microwave pyrolysis and microwave HTC were discussed. The fuel, chemical, structural and thermal weight loss characteristics of solid fuels produced from different biomass were discussed and compared. Viewers, this article was published in December 2018 in the Journal of Animal and Plant Sciences. Viewers, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.